Italy, a journey through timeless beauty, culture, and flavor. Imagine strolling through a living museum. In Rome, the Colosseum transports you back to the age of gladiators, while the Pantheon amazes with its perfect dome. Explore the Vatican City, stand beneath Michelangelo's Sistine Chapel ceiling and let centuries of artistry inspire awe at every step. Beyond its history, Rome entices with its vibrant streets. Toss a coin in the Trevi Fountain, promising your return, and relish fresh pasta in family-run trattorias. Each moment in Rome is a vivid reminder of its rich past and thriving culture, a perfect start for any Italian adventure. Step into Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance, and feel the echoes of genius in every corner. Gaze at the David statue in all its perfection and marvel at the Uffizi Gallery's unmatched collection of masterpieces. In Florence, art is not just seen, it is deeply felt. Cross the iconic Ponte Vecchio and wander through charming cobblestone streets where boutiques and cafes promise delightful discoveries. Pair your stroll with a taste of Florence's finest gelato, and you'll experience why this city sparks creativity and passion across the globe. Where else can you glide along picturesque canals instead of streets? Venice, the floating city, enchants with its serene waterways and iconic gondolas. Drift beneath the Rialto Bridge, listen to the gondolier's songs, and let the tranquil surroundings mesmerize your senses. Dive deeper into the city's unique charm with a visit to St. Mark's Basilica. The golden mosaics here shimmer like the timeless romance that Venice offers. Don't miss Murano and Burano Islands for their glass artistry and colorful homes. Venice is a dreamscape come to life. Italy is a feast for the soul and the palate. In Tuscany, sip on world-class wines while savoring hearty pappardelle with wild boar. The Amalfi Coast dazzles with fresh seafood paired with luscious limoncello, under breathtaking seaside views. Each region boasts its own culinary identity. Enjoy crispy Roman pizza, creamy risotto in Milan, and Sicilian cannoli bursting with sweetness. Every bite tells a story of tradition and passion, a gourmet journey unmatched anywhere else. Italy's beauty extends far beyond its cities. Visit the rolling vineyards of Chianti, where the sun kisses the lush hillsides. Admire the dramatic cliffs of the Amalfi Coast, where turquoise waters glitter below. Explore the tranquil lakes of Como or Garda, framed by majestic alpine scenery. For adventure seekers, the Dolomites offer thrilling hikes through jagged peaks and serene meadows. Italy's landscapes are wonderfully diverse, offering endless inspiration for travelers seeking nature's splendor alongside cultural immersion. From festive carnivals to centuries-old traditions, Italy's culture connects you to its vibrant spirit. Walk through bustling piazzas, where locals and travelers alike gather to enjoy espresso and gelato. Witness opera at La Scala or feel the excitement of a soccer match, a true testament to Italian passion. Artisans in every corner handcraft jewelry, leather goods, and Venetian masks, perfect for taking home a piece of Italy's creativity. The warmth of welcoming locals and their dolce far niente, the sweetness of doing nothing, helps you savor life in its simplest, most beautiful form. Italy isn't just a destination, it's a symphony of experiences that will transform the way you see the world. From its historic cities and stunning landscapes to its unforgettable flavors and passionate culture, every moment here leaves an indelible mark on the soul. Plan your Italian adventure today. Let your clients explore this treasure trove of beauty and culture, curating their dream itineraries through an unforgettable journey. The timeless magic of Italy awaits. Sparkles.